Hey guys, Corey, the House of Vacuums. I wanted to do a video because we got a new product in. I've known about this product for a couple months, so happy to finally get them in. It's by Titan. They do a lot of our canister commercial vacuums and residential, so I was happy to finally get these in. It is a modern approach on the bagged vacuum cleaner. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you. So this machine, 2-year warranty. And what you're going to notice out of the gate is the kind of familiarities of, let's say, another brand of vacuum cleaner with a swivel, low profile, rubber coated wheels, good on bare flooring, carpet and rugs, owner's manual, 7-foot stretch hose, turbo for bedding, upholstery, stairs, pet hair, grooming, cleaning the beds, dusting brush, and then a wide upholstery tool. 2 of the tools will ride around on the vacuum, as well as we do have a crevice tool, the removable wand on the vacuum, and then we have the main unit. Move the box out of the way. Pop this out. So what you'll notice, it is removable from the head, so it's very compartmentalized. It's very light. I don't have exact specs on it, but I will post that with it. I'd say this is no more than 6-7 pounds. We'll click this on, put the wand in. We'll hang the cord there for the time being. Hose clicks on, clicks into the back. 2 tools, as you're choosing, as to the tools you use the most, will ride around here on the back. I'm going to put the turbo and the dusting brush. And now, you pop it down, it's got the nice swivel. Unit comes off for hand cleaning, brush, so you have a 2-in-1 machine. The electronic sensor tells you when the bag is empty to full. The power on and off 2-motor system, 30-foot cord, 2-year warranty, sealed HEPA filtration system. And I love the bag design in here. Large bag capacity, N95 style material, pre-filter. HEPA filter is located down here. And then I love, because you never have to touch the bag, it has a button at the top, you click, put it right over a trash can and it dumps right out. Then these will click right back in. You'll hear 2 clicks, click, click. Tuft it back on and you're good to go. We've got these in stock, very glad to have them. It's a lightweight, powerful machine. We've put it on the airflow gauge, pulls a great number. So I think this is going to be a great unit, great price as well. Any questions, reach out to us, but this is the Titan T3600.